On behalf of this flight crew and all of us here at Southwest, we'd like to be the first to welcome you to Oakland. Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened to your seat backs and tray tables in their full upright lock position. All your carry-ons right where they are until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening up any overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight could fall out. If you are connecting here in Oakland to another Southwest airline